Introduction. Welcome to BikeZone Pro, where we bring you the latest reviews, updates, and in-depth insights on the hottest motorcycles in the world. Today, we are diving into one of the most talked about cruiser bikes of the year, the 2025 Honda Shadow Phantom. Honda's Shadow series has been a legendary name in the cruiser world for decades, and the latest Shadow Phantom takes that legacy to the next level. With its perfect combination of classic bobber styling, modern technology, and Honda's legendary reliability, this bike is built for riders who want both style and performance. In this detailed review, we'll cover everything from design, performance, features, price, and whether the 2025 Honda Shadow Phantom is worth your money. Stay tuned till the end to find out why this bike is set to dominate the mid-range cruiser segment in 2025. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 Honda Shadow Phantom stays true to its roots with a timeless bobber-inspired design, but Honda has added subtle modern touches that give the bike a fresh look. The first thing you'll notice is its aggressive, low-slung profile with blacked-out components. The fuel tank has been slightly reshaped to give the bike a more muscular stance, while the minimalist fenders and single seat enhance the stripped-down bobber aesthetic. The matte black, metallic, and pearl smoky gray color options give the bike a stealthy, premium feel, making it one of the best-looking cruisers in its class. Honda has also updated the wheels with new 10-spoke alloy rims, wrapped in chunky tires that not only look great but also improve grip on the road. Every inch of this bike screams attitude, making it perfect for riders who want to stand out on the streets. Engine and performance. Powering the 2025 Honda Shadow Phantom is the trusted 745 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V-twin engine that Honda has perfected over the years. This engine delivers around 44 horsepower at 5,500 RPM and 64 Nm of torque at 3,500 RPM, perfect for laid-back cruising and city riding. The engine has been slightly refined for 2025, with updated fuel injection mapping that improves throttle response and fuel efficiency. The low-end torque is where this bike truly shines, giving you instant power as soon as you twist the throttle. The 5-speed transmission works smoothly, offering seamless gear shifts whether you're riding in traffic or cruising down the highway. The shaft drive system adds to the bike's low-maintenance appeal, making it a great option for both beginners and experienced riders. Ride quality and comfort. One of the standout features of the 2025 Honda Shadow Phantom is its exceptional comfort. With a seat height of just 25.8 inches, the bike is accessible to riders of all sizes. The forward-set foot pegs and wide handlebars create a relaxed riding position, making long-distance rides a breeze. Honda has made subtle improvements to the suspension for 2025. The 41mm front forks now offer better damping, while the rear dual shock absorbers with adjustable preload provide a more comfortable ride on bumpy roads. Whether you're riding on city streets or highways, the Shadow Phantom offers a plush, well-balanced ride. Another key feature is the bike's lightweight chassis. Weighing around 549 pounds, 249 kilograms, the Shadow Phantom feels nimble and easy to maneuver, especially in urban traffic. The low center of gravity enhances stability, making it one of the easiest cruisers to ride in its segment. Braking and safety. Honda has equipped the 2025 Shadow Phantom with modern braking technology to ensure rider safety. The front wheel features a 296mm single-disc brake with twin-piston calipers, while the rear wheel comes with a 276mm disc brake. ABS is now standard on all models, providing added confidence when braking in wet or slippery conditions. The bike's braking system delivers strong stopping power without feeling too aggressive, perfect for both new and experienced riders. Technology and features. While the Shadow Phantom stays true to its retro roots, Honda has introduced a few key modern features to make the 2025 model more practical. Full LED headlights and taillights, brighter and more energy efficient than traditional halogen lights. Digital instrument cluster. The small, round digital display that shows speed, fuel level, trip meter, and clock. USB charging port, optional, perfect for charging your smartphone on the go. Keyless ignition, a new feature for 2025 that adds convenience and security. Standard ABS enhances safety without compromising the bike's classic style. These subtle upgrades blend perfectly with the Shadow Phantom's old-school aesthetics, offering the best of both worlds. Fuel efficiency and range. Fuel efficiency has always been one of the Honda Shadow's strong points, and the 2025 model is no exception. The 745 cubic centimeters V-twin engine delivers around 55 miles per gallon, 23.4 kilometers per liter, making it one of the most fuel-efficient cruisers in its class. With a 3.7-gallon fuel tank, the Shadow Phantom offers a practical range of around 200 miles on a full tank, perfect for long weekend rides without constant refueling. Price and value: Honda has priced the 2025 Shadow Phantom at around $8,699, making it one of the best value mid-range cruisers on the market. Considering its timeless design, reliable engine, and modern features, this bike offers excellent value for both new and experienced riders. In the US, Europe, and Asia, the bike is set to hit showrooms by mid-2025, with pre-orders already available in select regions. Pros and cons: Pros: timeless bobber design, reliable V-twin engine, comfortable riding position, low maintenance shaft drive, standard ABS, excellent fuel efficiency. Cons: no traction control or advanced rider aids, basic digital display, limited performance for long highway touring. Competitors: in the mid-range cruiser segment, the 2025 Honda Shadow Phantom faces tough competition from Yamaha Bolt, I-Spec, Kawasaki Vulcan S, Harley-Davidson Iron 883, Indian Scout 60, Suzuki Boulevard S40. However, the Shadow Phantom stands out with its affordable price, legendary reliability, and beginner-friendly ride. Final verdict: the 2025 Honda Shadow Phantom is a perfect blend of retro style and modern performance. Whether you're a beginner looking for your first cruiser or an experienced rider searching for a reliable daily rider, this bike checks all the boxes. Its low-maintenance shaft drive, fuel-efficient engine, and timeless bobber design make it one of the best value-for-money cruisers on the market. While it may not have all the high-tech gadgets of some premium cruisers, it more than makes up for it with its simplicity, reliability, and iconic style. If you're looking for a bike that looks great, rides smooth, and will last for years without breaking the bank, the 2025 Honda Shadow Phantom is the bike for you. Conclusion: that wraps up our in-depth review of the 2025 Honda Shadow Phantom here on BikeZone Pro. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more reviews of the latest motorcycles, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let us know in the comments what you think about the new Shadow Phantom. Would you ride this cruiser in 2025? Stay tuned for more two-wheeled content right here on BikeZone Pro. Your ride, your passion.